Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pesto chicken sandwich. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for assembly. Next, we'll focus on perfectly cooking the chicken, making sure it's tender and juicy. Then, we'll carefully layer all the components to create a balanced and flavorful sandwich. Finally, you'll have a delightful, homemade meal to enjoy. Let's prepare our chicken for the sandwich. Begin by seasoning your chicken breasts generously with salt and freshly ground pepper. Cook them in a pan or grill until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring they are fully cooked and safe to eat. Once cooked, let the chicken rest for a few minutes before slicing it thinly. This helps keep the chicken moist and tender. Now for the fun part, assembling your delicious sandwich. Start by spreading a generous amount of pesto evenly on both slices of your chosen bread. Next, layer your thinly sliced, perfectly cooked chicken onto one side. Feel free to add fresh toppings like ripe tomato slices and crisp lettuce. For an extra burst of flavor, you might also consider adding a slice of provolone or mozzarella cheese. To elevate your pesto chicken sandwich, always choose high-quality bread. It makes a big difference. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of pesto, like sun-dried tomato or a nut-free version. For added texture and flavor, try including roasted red peppers or creamy avocado slices. Remember to serve your sandwich immediately after assembly to enjoy it at its absolute best. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.